Hey guys, it's Miriam.
And Patrick!
With lots of toys. Check it out, we have so many Paw Patrol toys. There's Marshall's Mission Fire Truck. This is Mission Paw, it's a different one. There's another fire truck, this one is Marshall's forest vehicle.
It does, but instead of a hose, it has a saw.
Yeah, it's definitely a different fire truck or a different type.
Can it spin? Oh yay, spin.
And then we have Rubble'S Mission Bulldozer. He's also part of Mission Paw. And then there's Rocky's Tugboat. Cool.
That does not look like a boat.
It's a boat, but look at that. It's his rubble rig. Can you see that?
Yeah, but I thought Rocky in the show was afraid of water.
Apparently, he's gotten over his fear, because now he has a boat. Now let's open them up and have some fun with them.
Is this for concrete? Because it goes like this. Tick, 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 tick.
I think so. That's a bulldozer, so it's definitely for construction. Which one should we start with?
My favorite color.
Green. We're going to start with Rocky's Tugboat. He's got a working forklift and a crane, and the back opens so you can fill it up. Cool. Rocky! I'm not sure if it floats on water.
Oh, did you notice it has propellers?
Yeah.
Like a submarine. Oh, it's a recycling boat.
Yeah. Hey, I can't fit in there.
Because you're too big. But a rock could fit in there.
Yeah. Let's open up our next ones. Let's see what other Paw Patrol toys we have. Here's Rubble'S Mission Bulldozer. Whoa, he has a spring-loaded jackhammer. He's got a movable scoop. So fun. Gotta get to work. No time to waste. Rocky. Whee! Hey, wait for me, wait for me. How you doing, Rocky? Whee! Hey, watch where you're going. What's that? What do we have here?
Woof, 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 woof. Woof. Ah!
Beep, beep, beep.
Woof, woof.
Let's tow it out of here. Yeah! Ooh, this is gonna be fun. My first Star Wars ship that I get to tow.
Wait, I'm towing.
Hey, we don't fight.
Hey, it's mine! Get out of here! I discovered it first.
Naughty Rubble. Hey, this is pretty nice. I like his rig. Maybe we should switch. I even have a working drill. We have more toys to open. Marshall's fire truck. This is the Mission Fire Truck. Here's the fire truck. We have Marshall to go with it. He's got an extending tool here. Dad again. Don't tell me it's our ship. No! Oh my goodness.
He sat down perfectly.
What happened here? Big giant boom crash.
Look at Rocky. He's like, what happened here? He's like staring. He's like this.
Yeah, he's the only one that hasn't been affected.
And him. And
Marshall. Yeah. Ruff! You guys need rescue here.
Not me.
Hey Marshall, we need to pull everybody out. I think you're right. Ruff! 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 Look, Rubble is okay too. Now we need to get our vehicles out of here.
Now how are we going to get Rocky's tugboat?
We'll have to dig it out. I got this, guys. We have to take it out in pieces. Hey, are you okay in there? Look, there's a bot. He's coming out. Friendly. Ruff. I got you. Woo. Look, he looks angry. What's happening here? Oh, good. He rescued himself. Cool. We have to get these vehicles out of here. Phew, my vehicle is safe.
Beep. 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 Excuse me. Oh, he farted. He tooted. He tooted. He tooted. There we go. Now call! Hey. Put the rescue up.
I got this now, guys. Here
Don't
we go.
crash into the train. Thank you, guys. Hey, I'm still stuck. Oh, just a rock. Just a rock. Yay. There, now. We get to toy you everywhere. Look, he does fit in here. I got this. Beep, beep. Who's driving my rig? I'm in trouble. There we go. He's safe. He's safe in there. Marshall is in here.
Phew! Thanks for rescuing me, guys.
Please don't tell me you ate all my dog treats because it's in my house.
I did eat all your dog treats. Hee hee hee.
There we go.
Here's the last fire truck, the forest vehicle.
Why does it have this saw? How does it have this saw?
It has this saw so we can cut through trees. It's a forest rescue vehicle. And our second fire truck. This is different. It's a bit higher.
And it's a bit noisier.
And it has a different type of a ladder. There's a saw attached. Check it out in comparison to this other fire truck.
I noticed they have different tires. This one's yellow and that one's orange.
Yes. And different types of ladders.
And they have different texture.
And different textures, yes. One's higher, one's lower.
Now, which one is the lower one? That's the lower one.
Yeah, this one is lower. It's closer to the ground, while this one is higher.
Why does that one have to be higher and the other one's lower?
This one, the forest rescue is this one, and it needs to reach high places, so it's made bigger, stronger, higher. This one is the mission fire truck. It goes on different missions, so it has different tools. It's a grabbing tool, sort of like a wrench, so we can rescue.
It looks like a claw.
Yeah, it does look like a claw.
And why do the
And they have different hats. Good one. Yeah, look at this hat. And this is more like a hard hat. And this is a fireman's hat. So here are our fun vehicles that we've opened today. So cool. Beep, beep.
Thanks for watching, kids. I hope you subscribe for more fun videos posted every day. Stay tuned for more Paw Patrol. See you next time.
Bye, everybody.
Bye. Bye. See you later. Bye, everybody.